Hi everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you how I got this super long stiletto nail. So if you would like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But for this look, we're going to be using builder gel. So I already have my nail prepped and primed, and I have my nail form applied. So I'm just grabbing a bead of gel and I'm going to make contact with the nail and work that down the entire length of that form. In my opinion, working with gel is a lot easier because it gives you a ton of time to manipulate the product. When you're doing a clear nail, you want to move or work slower because if you work the gel too fast, it'll create air bubbles. After I have everything applied to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and cure this in my LED gel lamp for 60 seconds. After the base is completely cured, you can remove the form. So for removing it, you want to just squeeze it completely closed and pull down away from the nail. Now I'm just going to go in with another ball of the clear gel and I'm going to apply that to my natural nail, working that down towards the free edge. So this is how my nail looks after curing. So I'm just going to go ahead and take another bead of clear gel and apply that towards the middle of the nail, fanning it down towards the very tip of the nail. And this is just to make the smoke effect a lot easier. So now I'm going to take a bead of that white gel and I'm just going to apply that towards the cuticle area, working that down towards the free edge of the nail. And I'm going to fade that into that clear gel that we applied, which again is going to help give you that smoke effect. Once I get to the tip of the nail, I'm going to fan it slightly, just pulling the white into the clear. I don't want to pull too much because then I'll have too much color. And doing it this way will make the smoke look more realistic. So I'm just going to take another ball of that white gel and apply it towards the cuticle area again, just to make that area more opaque before curing. So I'm just going to take the tip of my brush and I'm going to pull that clear down into the white some more, just making my smoke a little bit more obvious, if that makes sense. Once I'm happy with how everything is placed, I'm going to give the nail a full cure in my gel lamp for 60 seconds. So this is how the nail looks after curing. So I'm just going to encapsulate this using the clear gel. So I'm just going to take a big ball of the clear gel and I'm going to encapsulate the entire nail with this. After I'm done encapsulating the nail with the gel, I'm going to go ahead and give this a full cure in my LED gel lamp for 60 seconds. After curing, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the nail using a no lint wipe and some alcohol to remove the tacky layer off of the nail so I can go ahead and file that into shape. This is how the nail looks after filing, shaping, and buffing. Now I follow the same filing routine as if I was to do acrylics, but I use hand files. There's no reason to use a electric file on gel because a gel is a lot softer than acrylic, so you'll end up taking off too much. So I'm just applying my top coat, and I use the OPI Axiom top coat for this. And I'm going to apply a thin layer and cure in my gel lamp for 60 seconds. So this is how the nail looks after curing, so I'm just going to add some cuticle oil. So I really hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!